Hello guys, my name is Sagar Kapadia from Krinet Design. Today I will explain how to make a text animation in Figma. So please guys subscribe my YouTube channel and like and share this video. So first of all we will take one artboard, okay, and then we will take one text. I am copy this, okay. I am duplicating all the text and write it here. I am UI designer. Now let's give color to this text. Here we select all the group and we will do the create component set. Then go to the prototype. Click on first, give the prototype to the second, click on this prototype to the third, click on this prototype to the fourth, and click on this prototype to the last. And after that we click on this all this state, click on this. We will change the after delay. We will put this our component to the here and run this prototype. You can see it. If you want to make lesser time, then select all this component set, go to the here, and here you can write the 1200 ms, enter and save. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel, like and share this video to your friends. Thank you.